My name is Maria, and I am a new Ahmadi. I was born in a Catholic family, but I may say that I never felt the connection with God and with religion. It was when I came here to London when I discovered Ahmadiyya Muslim community. There was something that grabbed my attention, and I felt so curious that I wanted to find out more. I had the fortune to meet another Spanish convert who, with his help and his family, I was able to increase my knowledge about Islam. At the beginning of my journey, my mind was full of opposing ideas about Islam, mainly because in Spain we have so many stereotypical views of Muslims. Although, as soon as I started doing my researches, I realized that all these prejudices were completely false. After starting my exploration, I had the necessity to know if Ahmadiyya was the truth. I was feeling so lost and confused, but strangely, I developed an overwhelming desire to pray and seek help from God. Thanks to Allah, I had a number of enlightening dreams, but there is one particularly which had a big effect on me, and it changed my view entirely. In this dream, I heard a voice which was saying to me, "Take paper and pen. You are going to receive a very important message that you need to write down, and you can't miss anything out." The dream was so vivid and so real to me that as soon as I opened my eyes, I started looking around for a paper and pen. Of course, I realized that this was just a dream, but after that, everything changed. I realized that all the teachings of Islam are correct and beneficial for me. Everything started making sense, and I sincerely felt that this is the path that I need to take. After having read some books, I came to know that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, peace be upon him, he was the promised Messiah. He was the reformer of Islam, who was prophesied by the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. I learned as well from the Holy Quran that God has promised that among those who believe and do good works, Allah will make successors among them. So the Muslims who will be on the right path, they will have a leader. And this promise has been fulfilled in this community through the institution of Khilafat. Nowadays, people will call me as a convert. However, I don't feel as a convert. In reality, I feel as a reverted, because I have come back to my roots, to the religion of my ancestors in Spain. Maybe this is the place I was meant to be as a Muslim. So, after knowing all these things, I became so satisfied and emotional that I had no single doubt that Ahmadiyya was definitely the true Islam, and it was the right path to be taken.